If all you're doing is smashing the spacebar key on the keyboard to start and stop playback in DaVinci Resolve, then you're missing out. Let me show you what I mean. So of course you can click the play button,
more traditional film,
or hit the spacebar.
then if you're
editing a video, you don't want to have to wait for that normal speed playback. So instead what you can do is, instead of hitting space, you can hit the L key on the keyboard. If you hit this once,
a very open weave fabric, or you're not going to be
it's going to play back at normal speed, but if you hit it twice,
covering both sides, there's a potential for some of those
it's going to play back even faster, and if you hit it 3 times,
fibers to get into the air, and potentially you may breathe.
it's going to get even faster. Instead of using the spacebar to stop playback, you can instead use the K key, which is right next to the L key, which is really handy. So for example, if I hit L to play back,
To these more
and then hit K, you can see the playback stops. To save even more time, rather than hitting the L key a couple of times to speed up the playback, you can instead hold down Shift and then tap the L key.
For sound panel cores, I chose to go with thermally bonded polyester.
And it goes straight into fast motion playback. Let's try that again, Shift L.
So polyester is something that's often used in clothing or bed sheets and that kind of thing.
And now if I hit L,
And not glues which contained formaldehyde.
notice it went back to normal playback speed. But that's not all, you can also play back in reverse at multiple speeds. Rather than hitting the L key, hit the J key. And as with the L key, you can hit the J key multiple times to reverse speed even quicker. Normal reverse speed, faster reverse speed, even faster reverse speed. Just as with the L key, you can hit Shift and J to go straight into quick reverse playback mode. But that's not all, there's also another really cool thing you can do. If you want to play back, but instead of fast motion, you want to play back really slowly, hold down Shift and hit K. You can see the slow motion there, and if you want it to slow down even more, hold down Shift and hit K again. And now we're playing back in super slow motion. Hit the L key
Into the air, and potentially you may breathe.
to switch back to normal playback speed. And once again hit K to stop. Check out the DaVinci Resolve playlist. I'm Jason Roberts, and I'll see you in the next one.